Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an F22 Fighter Jet. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our F22 Fighter Jet, let's begin with the cockpit. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to be making an oval shape like this. So we're just going to kind of go up and down and then back up here. Next, starting right here on the side, let's make a little line that's just going to go down. It's going to curve around and then come back up. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes out on each side. And then I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down here. Then I'm going to make this line come up here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line kind of come up at an angle. And then same thing here, we're just going to make this kind of come up at an angle. Then I'm going to bring this up, and I'm going to bring this one up here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and over. And then same thing here, we're just going to go down and then over. Now for the wings, I want to make this line come out. You can see it's at an angle. And then same thing here, just kind of come out at an angle. We're going to make this come back at an angle, and then this one come back at an angle. We're going to make this kind of come up a little bit at an angle, just again, see it's kind of going inside a little bit. And then let's really bring this in now. Same thing here, let's really bring this in. Next, let's make a line that's going to come up to a point, and we're going to come down, make it really skinny like this. Same thing here, we're going to come up to a point at an angle and make it come down really skinny. We're going to make a line that comes back and a line that comes back. I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to bring this line down. Next, I'm going to make this line kind of curve and come down. And we'll do the same thing here. We're going to start here, kind of bring this line up, and then curve down. I'm going to connect these lines. Then I'm going to make a little line down here, and then a little line down here. Next, back here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. And I'm going to draw a line over here that's going to come out at an angle. Bring this up, and we'll bring this one up. I want to bring this in, and then I want to bring this one in. Now, we want to add a little bit of detail onto here. So one of the things I want to do is I'm going to start here. I'm going to make a line that's going to go in and then straight down here. Same thing here. We're going to go in and then we want to go straight down. Right here, we're just going to kind of follow this shape. Going to kind of go up, over, and then back like this. Same thing here. We're just going to kind of go up, over, and then back. I want to make a diagonal line here, and then a diagonal line here. Then I want to make a little diagonal line here and here. I'm going to draw a diagonal line up here, and then we're going to make one that comes up here. Diagonal line, diagonal line, And we're just going to kind of follow this to here. So same thing, kind of angle and then bring it right up to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up to here, and I'm going to bring this line up to here. Then I'm going to kind of make a little bit of a curved line here. Then I want to make a kind of curved, broken line up here on this side. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come over at an angle. It's going to come across and back up. And I'm going to connect it here. Then I want to make a line down each side and a couple lines across. Then over here, I'm going to make a little kind of rectangle shape that's at an angle. And then same thing here, kind of a little rectangle shape that's at an angle. And there you go. There is your drawing of an F22 fighter jet. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.